Hi guys, I'm so excited because I received my new 55-in-1 screwdriver kit. So let me show you what is inside. It's come with the instructions. Very explained. It's blue. Oh, it's amazing. So let me show you. Open it. Okay. It's perfect. I bought this for fix my computer. Then the assembly is magnetic, so very easy. And this part is to, in case you need to help for a screw, it's more easy. They have the choices. So let me show you. The games, consoles, for home, for phones and tablets is very needed. And optical lab. I need this one because my computer is broken, so I need to fix it. So I found the right one. So let me try. Oh, it's perfect. Screw. I want to fix my keyboard because it doesn't work. This screwdriver is perfect for me. It's magnetic. It's perfect for don't lose the mini screw. Also, I want to type my glasses. It's perfect. It's work. In this case, I use the optical lab. So guys, if you need a screwdriver for your home, your car, I really recommended this one.